Hey everybody, welcome to ToddleBee. Today we're going to do a product review on what I would call an ADL pillow. They have Sensory4U, which is a company that has a variety of products. I'm new to learning about them. I'll drop the link to their website down in the description below. Here's the packet the pillow came in. I've already taken the pillow out. They call it a sensory pillow. So this is what it is. It is a little clasping, shoe tying pillow. Okay, so when you're teaching shoe tying, clasps, zippers, anything like that, it's going to be easiest for the child to do it in their lap, just like this. So this pillow is perfect. You can do it in your lap at the table or in a chair on the floor. So I can just give a quick demonstration on how I would use the pillow. I'm working with a child who has some visual deficits where it might be hard. This side of the pillow may be hard because it'll be distracting with so many different clasps. But if you're not working on any visual stuff, this is perfect. If you're strictly working on ADLs, so it has a buckle right here, okay, and then it has a clip right here. Here. Now, these are supposed to simulate common claspings that you would find on children's clothes or on items that a kid might be trying to open. Then we have this lacing type part right here where you can feed the bead through the loops. This is great. Like this. There's a couple beads. I think there are 3. Okay. You can feed them all the way through. Like that. All right. And then you can close it all back up. So I normally teach one and then the other. So I normally teach all buttoning. I mean, there's not buttons on this, but just as an example. I would normally teach all clasping, then all unclasping so you know, you're kind of focusing on one thing at a time. And this is a great little size for the kids. I'm holding it up here so y'all can see, but if I was working with a patient or a child, I would have it seated in their lap like this. Okay, and then you have shoe tying, which I don't know if this was intended to be this way, but I would use one side as a lacing card to teach a lacing pattern. An over-under lacing pattern is going to be really easy right here. Okay. Yeah, and then we have, these are some beads behind mesh. I think they're red and bluish. This would be good for finger isolation, you know, right here, where you're moving them from side to side. You know, all the reds go on one side, all the blues go on the other side. You can make up some type of creative game with it. And then the last thing I want to show you on here is shoe tying. So let me lace up this shoe again. This is my favorite feature on the pillow, is the shoe tying feature. It's not visually distracting. It's a good size. It will fit in a small child's lap. It's great to practice shoe tying with. So the purpose of this video isn't really to go into the steps of shoe tying necessarily, or to show you how to teach your child how to tie their shoes, but just to demonstrate you can do it on this pillow. So this is harder to hold up like that, but real easy to practice like that. So I would recommend this pillow. I think it is great. I do think you need to consider if you have some visual skills you're still working on, that this may be slightly distracting on this back side. If that's not something you're working on just strictly activities of daily living for clasping things, buttoning. Well, these are not buttons. I keep saying buttons. For clasping things, fasteners is great. And this, it says, it's a sensory pillow is what they call it. And once again, it's made by Sensory for You. They have some other products that I haven't purchased or worked with yet, but we may buy some of those in the future to use. I'll drop the link below so you can look for this. I bought mine on Amazon. I didn't buy it directly from Sensory for Kids. I was just searching around on Amazon for ADL practice type things and found this little neat thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, this product review, and let me know if you have any questions.